energy policy fact check video. I wanted to see what probably the most famous person in the United States at this moment, Donald Trump, has to say about energy right now and what his energy policies are going to be now that he has been elected president of the United States. So I tried to look for comments or assertions Donald Trump made, but couldn't find any statements he had made about energy with concrete numbers. I found an article on Vox, which is an American news and opinion website. It's been described as having a liberal or progressive editorial perspective. And I found an article that brought up statements said by Donald Trump about energy, and the article is titled "The 6 Most Important Parts of Donald Trump's Energy Policy." So one thing Trump has said is that he wants to bring back U.S. coal mining. Donald Trump wants to bring back coal mining by repealing EPA regulations. He says we're going to save the coal industry. According to Vox, this is highly improbable and will not happen. So, according to Vox, coal production in the United States has fallen off a cliff in recent years. Back in 2008, the country produced a record of 1.2 billion short tons of coal. By 2015, that had fallen 25%. According to Vox, there's a couple of reasons for coal's recent fall. The fracking boom has led to a flood of cheap natural gas, propelling many utilities to switch from coal to gas. Obama's EPA has also enacted a number of strict air pollution regulations. And that's accelerated the shift to gas. The Vox article includes this graph to show how the U.S. coal production has been diminishing since 2005. This graph is directly from the Energy Information Administration website, and we have been taught in class this is a reliable source. I decided to individually go to the Energy Information Administration website and see how the productive capacity of coal mines has been decreasing from 2008 to 2015, and, well, here it is. So Vox is right. The coal mining industry in the United States is deteriorating, so Trump's aspirations for coal are unlikely. So, natural gas and crude oil. Donald Trump thinks that we need to produce a lot more because we are barely producing anything, according to him. So, according to the website Vox, the United States is currently the largest producer of petroleum natural gas in the entire world, thanks in part to the massive fracking boom that's been taking place around the country since the 2000s. Again, Vox included a graph from the Energy Information Administration that proves that the United States is the #1 petroleum and natural gas producer in the entire world. When I worked on homework number 3 for this class, I also noticed that the U.S. was the biggest natural gas producer in the world, followed by Russia. So here's a chart, again from the Energy Information Administration, showing just that. Here's the final graph that I found on the Energy Information Administration website that had all the top petroleum producing countries in the world in order. And again, it shows the United States as #1. Well, this has been my energy policy fact check video. Hope you enjoyed it.